Hello everybody, welcome to another video on mesh analysis. This will be our first problem on mesh analysis. Pick this problem because it is quite simple. This is as simple as it gets on mesh analysis. In this video, we are required to find the mesh currents, the currents for each mesh. In order to do that, the first thing we do is we assign currents to each mesh. So that is, after we've identified our mesh, this is our first mesh, this is our second mesh. So the current for this mesh, we call it I1. I'll call the current for this mesh I2. So we write the KVL equation in mesh 1. So we say mesh 1. So in mesh 1, the equation will be written as I1 times 1. So I1, then we come here and we have I2. We also have we have I1 and we also have I2 opposing it. So then plus open brackets I1 minus I2 into 2, then minus 5, then we equate everything to 0. So with that, we arrive at 3I1 minus 2I2 equals 5. And we can call that our first equation. Then the next thing we do is we proceed to the next mesh. So that mesh would be mesh 2. Mesh 2. So in mesh 2, we write the KVL equation. So say we start from here and we hit this 3 ohm resistor. The voltage drop across it would be I2, that's 3I2. Then the voltage drop across this one would be plus 4I2. Then the voltage drop across the 2 ohm resistor with respect to mesh 2 would be plus open bracket I2 minus I1 multiplied by 2. Then we equate everything to 0. So when we simplify this further, we would have 7, 9. We'd have 9I2 minus 2I1 equals to 0. And we call this our second equation. We can then proceed to solve this equation simultaneously. And by solving it simultaneously, we would then arrive at the value of I1 to be equals to 1.8 amperes and the value of I2 to be equals to 0.2 amperes. And that is how we find the mesh currents. We find the mesh currents using mesh analysis. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.